let me quickly show you our Arecai and our Arecai workspace. So all you need to do is to follow me carefully. So whenever you find yourself in our website, either through the direct home page like this, or maybe through the sales rep page, the first thing you have to do is to sign in. Sign in, or you register if you are new. Registration is free, so let me click the sign in. If you have not, if this is your first time of using this website, just click register, submit your name, your phone number, your email, enter your password, and create account. To create account here is free. Once you are done creating account, you log in. Let me quickly log in. Good. I've logged in now. So let me now go to my Arecai. This is Arecai here. Yes. And you can also see Arecai through this place, through this section, through here. You see it here. So let me go there. It opens. This is Arecai. It's telling me welcome back, Mugoji. That your name that you entered. You understand? So all you just need to do is to scroll down and here type whatever you want to type. Let's say write article on business decision. And you send it, that green button. Wait for it small. It's done writing whatever you want it to write. Remember, whenever you are talking to AI, there is a way to talk to AI. This one is just what I'm using as a sample. Then if maybe you are done writing and you want to continue, just click the continue button, or you want to generate the reference for it, just click the reference, request for reference, and you are done. And if what you want to use is, maybe you want to use our AI apps, we have AI apps, just click on it. But these AI apps are only available to our students, not just visitors to this website. So you click on it. You can see we have several AI apps. We have 11 AI apps for researchers. We have, see all the AI apps for researchers. Topic Forge, Gap Finder, Literature Review, all these things are solving different problems. And we have our finance AI apps, you can see them. And we have our legal AI apps, you see them. Engineering AI apps, healthcare AI apps, executive AI apps, human resource AI app. So anyone you want to use, you just click on it. So next time we'll visit some of them one after the other. Yeah.